Hey guys, it's Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I have a Fashion Nova try on haul. So I've never ever tried any clothes from Fashion Nova. I've heard about it. I've gone to the website. Their clothes looks really beautiful. But honestly, Fashion Nova kind of scares me a little bit because a lot of the clothes are really cute and I'm happy that they have good selection for plus size women. But at the same time, I'm a plus size woman and I have lots of insecurities and I feel like every single piece of their clothing is very revealing and it's something that I'm not used to. So for that reason, I haven't really bought anything online. And not only that, but I want to say that maybe the prices are a little bit high, seems like. So I discovered that there's actually a Fashion Nova store not too close by my house, but a good distance away from driving. So I'm going to go ahead and head that way and let's see what I try on and what my thoughts are. So I'll go ahead and I'll try on the clothes for you guys in the store. I'll do a voiceover and then at the end of the video, I'll tell you guys about their quality, their prices, and my thoughts and all that good stuff. So let's get to it. Jumping straight into the video, I'm trying on these Fashion Nova pants. Now, this is in a size 2X. I don't know what the price is because I couldn't find the price tag. But the fabric is really, really nice. But these pants are kind of like low. I swear, guys, I'm not wearing a thong. It just looks weird for some reason. But the fabric is nice, but they are really low. Like, they're barely like on my butt crack, so any little sit that I do or bend, you're gonna be able to see my butt, and I'm not a fan of those kind of pants. I do like the style of the pants, but I just didn't like the way they fit on the top, so I said no to these jeans. Here we have outfit number 2. Now, it's not that I was really trying to put these two pieces together. I was just kind of grabbing pieces, whatever I found, and trying them on. But this is a crop top and a skirt, I believe. I was really confused with the skirt. I wasn't sure if it was a skirt or not. But the crop top is this beautiful color. I kind of like the pattern of it, but I didn't like the spaghetti straps. It kept rolling. But that was in a size 2X and it retails for $14.99. And then the bottom, I don't know what it is. It was a 2X and $19.99. Like, it didn't say if it was like a skirt or if it was a dress, but the material just kind of looked weird. Like, it was like lumpy in some areas, and that wasn't because of my rolls. It was just adding extra rolls, and I was just not feeling it. I feel like it was a little too big too because of the way that it stretches. So again, I couldn't tell if it was a skirt or a dress. Right now you guys can kind of see me trying it on as a dress, but I feel like as a dress it's just gonna be way too short. I feel like Fashion Nova would probably want to wear something like this. Like, Fashion Nova would promote something this short, but at the same time, it just looks weird because it doesn't have like a supportive band for the boob area, but it doesn't have a supportive band for the bottom either. So it's kind of just kind of weird. So I said no to the crop top and I said no to this skirt or whatever dress it is. Outfit number 3. Now, outfit number 3 is this really meaty, like a really short black dress. This is in a size 2X and it retails for $27.99. Now, the material for this one is okay. It's not the best. As you guys can see, it really shows off my stomach, and it's really, really, really short. That's something that I would technically wear. I need some more support in the boob area too, but the back is just so freaking cute. I just couldn't deal with how cute the back is. Like, I would definitely wear this out if you're going to Vegas or clubbing or anything like that. It's a really good dress if you like to show off some legs, but like, since I don't, I said no. But for you guys, maybe. Here we have outfit number 4. Now, this outfit is such a cute black dress. I like the style of it. I like that it's kind of short, but having that extra layer on top that, makes it appear like it's longer, but it's really sheer and you can see everything. I think that's really cute, but I was having trouble with the boob area. I was trying to figure out, like, how is that supposed to give me any support? Not only that, but this dress is a dress that you need help putting on. Like, you need your friends to help you out because the back is just so freaking cute. Now, this was in a size 3X and it retails for $29.99, but again, it was just the boob area and I just couldn't put it together, so I said no for myself, but I think this would be a cute dress for Vegas or clubbing. Outfit number 5 is this like weird mustard yellow dress. I do like the way that the boob area is kind of covered. It's showing, but it gives good coverage and support versus the other dresses. It could have been more support, but it's better than the other ones that I've tried. I like the length. I like how it goes from low to high. The ruffles I wasn't a big fan of. The material, even though it was thick, you can really just see every little crease. But again, I wasn't wearing the best underwear or anything like that. If you wear shapewear, it would look way, way better. But this was in a size 2X and it retails for $29.99. Now, I wouldn't wear this to, a club, but it's a cute dress overall. But still think it's pretty pricey, so I said no. Here we have outfit number 6. Now this outfit is really cute. I like the style of it. I like how it has that detail in the front because it kind of helps blend in any like, rolls, lines, things like that. I really did like the style. You can even pull the string and make it shorter or more wrinkly. But I couldn't figure out if it had to be like off the shoulder or not. I kept putting it off the shoulder, but it kept rolling up, so I just left it the way it is. The color is not flattering at all. Not on my skin type. I feel like if it was maybe black or so. But look how sheer it is from the back. Like the front has a little bit of more coverage, but the back you'll see everything. So if you're somebody who likes to show your butt or things like that, that would work for you. But if you're not, then I would say definitely not worth it. Specifically how sheer it is from the back. Don't know how much it is because there was no price tag. I don't know what size it is or anything. So I said no to this dress. So here we have outfit number 7. Now outfit number 7 is in a size 3X and it retails for $32.99 and it has that big cut right there. So like there's nothing in the bottom, so you don't have any short or anything like that that will cover. So if you want to show that. Now I really like the detail in the front. It was really tight on that area, but then really loose on top in the boob area. So it was like it wanted me to fill it up, but I had no more boob to give. So it was really disappointing because it's a 3X. It fits really tight from there. So there was no way that I was going to fit in a 2X because this kind of material that's like silky doesn't have any stretch at all. So make sure to, if you're interested in something like this, I would prefer for you to try it on in the store if possible versus buying it online. Not only that, but the material and the way that it fit is not worth $32.99 for me. So I said no. Here we have outfit number 8. Now outfit number 8 is this dress that kind of has a similar style than the previous one, that has that, ruffle kind of material in the front that kind of helps with any lines and bumps and with your stomach, but the color is just not flattering. I really wish it would have been a different color, but it's not that I grabbed things that I wouldn't like, you guys. It's just that this is literally all they had, so I was just trying on whatever I can possibly do. But this is in a size 3X and it normally retails for $34.99, but it was on sale for $27.99. But again, the color was just really throwing me off, and not only that, but it wasn't as comfortable as you would think it would be. I believe this is a very popular dress that you see online, but again, the front has good coverage, the material, but the back is so sheer. I just don't understand what you're supposed to do. Like, I just can't deal with how sheer it is. It makes me feel just like, I don't know, just not my cup of tea. So I definitely said no to this dress. So here we have outfit number 9. Now outfit number 9 is this black pants that have the rip on the knee. Now these were actually pretty comfortable. They were in a size 3X and it retails for $39.99. I did have to go ahead and fold them from the bottom because they were just way too long. I do like that they're high-waisted, but I didn't like the big rip on the knee area. And then the crop top is super cute, but it's in a size 2X, which fit pretty well. And it retails for $22.99, but I didn't like at the same time the style because even though it's kind of like a tube top, it has this weird connection that has to go between like the shoulder, like the arm area, you can say. And it was just uncomfortable and weird. And not only that, but it was kind of too short for a crop top for me, especially because I'm not used to it. I'm not used to showing too much skin, so that's why I'm kind of covering myself because I just felt naked and weird. But overall, the outfit would be cute if you're like into showing your stomach and stuff like that, but not something that I would be comfortable wearing yet, but yet I'd like it. But yeah, no. So here we have outfit number 10. Now this number 10 is pretty sexy. Now this bodysuit is really cute, but it's in a size 2X and it retails for $19.99 and it didn't fit me. Or maybe it would, but I'm not used to that boob situation. Usually bodysuits don't fit me, so it's nothing new. The material though felt very like swimwear material, and I really do like the skirt though. I like the fabric because it's like a velvet finish. I like that it's covered in that top area, but then you show some more sexy thigh, which is really cute. I like that it's not extremely short. It's like a decent length. Still, I wouldn't just show off my legs like that, specifically in the back. That's where I'm more insecure about. So I would probably wear this with like a cardigan to cover the back of my legs. But I really do like the skirt. The skirt is in a 3X and it retails for $24.99. I did end up getting the skirt. I wish I would have gotten it in black, but this other girl beat me to it. So I ended up getting it in this color, but I really do like the skirt. But I'm not a fan of the bodysuit. Alright guys, so those are the items that I tried on at Fashion Nova. Now, you guys already know that in the beginning of the video I said that basically Fashion Nova, I've never bought anything from them online because their clothing is really cute, but I've always been like, that's not something I would wear. Their clothes is really revealing. It's usually typically for somebody that has like the perfect body, that has like, nice perky boobs and has a nice big butt, you know, things like that. That's what it seems like online. And I was just scared because their prices aren't, you know, they aren't cheap. We're talking like pants are like 40, $50 and so on. So their items aren't cheap. So if there is a store, I'm going to do whatever I can to possibly go to the actual store. Now, Fashion Nova actually has, I think, 4 or 5 locations in Southern California. Now, from those locations, only 2 of them carry plus size right now. And those are pretty far from where I live. So I live in Southgate, California. I had to drive all the way to Van Nuys, and that took me about an hour. So in total, I drove 2 hours. An hour to get there, and then an hour back. And to my surprise, okay, how do I explain this to you? Again, when you think of Fashion Nova, because right now so many people are hyping it up, like, oh my god, Fashion Nova. Like, you look at online and their clothes look really good. You see the model and you're like, oh my god, like, that looks so amazing because, you know, they just have this perfect model. So, for me, I had really high expectations for Fashion Nova, and when I got to the area where the Fashion Nova was located, which was in Panorama, I think it was called Panorama Mall in Van Nuys, I was like, what the, because it looks like a mall. You know, it's not a nice looking mall. So I was like, what? Because, you know, I was thinking Fashion Nova was kind of, not like super high end, but like, you know, a little higher up there since it's such a hyped up store. I thought that it would be in a good location. I'm not saying that, you know, Van Nuys sucks or anything, but I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Like, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. But anyways, I went ahead and I found Fashion Nova, and as soon as I walked in, I was like, this looks like a basic store setup, the way that I would walk into any other store. Like, again, I said I had really high expectations for Fashion Nova, but it was nice to just be able to walk in, and right away I was able to spot where the plus size curvy location is because they had a sign. So that was kind of nice. I didn't record anything about the store because it was just awkward for me to do that because there was so many people and like there was workers just looking at me. So I didn't want to make, you know, a scene or anything like that. So that's the reason why I didn't film inside the actual store, only in the fitting room. Now, I didn't know exactly what their sizing would be like. I wasn't sure if maybe all of the clothes that I get should be a 2X or should I go for a 3X since I'm generally a 2 to 3X. I just decided to stick with that. They didn't have that much, because the main thing that I want to go to Fashion Nova is for, because one of the subscribers go ahead and she went ahead and asked for me to do like, you know, more like clubby kind of dresses and, you know, outfits, ideas, things like that. And I thought, oh, Fashion Nova, like as soon as you said that, like I thought Fashion Nova would, you know, would be the go-to place. So that's why I just grabbed a couple items that I typically wouldn't go for, but it was just, some things fit, some things didn't. The material, you guys, was just so thin for the dresses. So I definitely feel like Fashion Nova has things, okay? They have things, but I feel like it's more for people who have like the perfect body or people who are not shy at all to show their goodies, you know? And that's not the type of person that I am. So that's why I've never really shot Fashion Nova to begin with, because their style is cute and I like, but I wouldn't wear that with the body type that I have. I just feel like weird. Like, I'm just too shy to show too much skin. You know what I mean? I think you guys can kind of understand what I'm trying to say. Not only that, but the material of their clothes, I expected to be a little bit higher quality for the price that they're selling. But I feel like the quality of the clothes is kind of like G-Stage and like a mixture of like Forever 20. Like, it's nothing special. I will say, though, that their jeans were really nice. It didn't feel like suffocating the way that they usually do. Only the first pair that I tried on, that did, like, you know, it's not high rise. I like high rise pants, like the ones that go high waisted. That's what I'm trying to say. That one wasn't, so I literally, like, if I bend over, you're gonna see my butt crack with that one. So I don't like pants like that. But the material, guys, of those pants were just so nice and so well fitted. But I just didn't find the right pair, so that's why I didn't go ahead and buy anything from them jean wise. But over everything that I bought, you guys, I only bought one thing, and that was the last thing that I tried on. Oops, my receipt fell. I ended up buying the red skirt. The only reason why is because, I don't know, I just felt so sexy with it. I don't own anything like this, and I feel like I can make it work. Typically, I wouldn't wear things like this because, one, it's pretty revealing, two, it's pretty short, but if I throw a cardigan over, it's going to cover my butt, and, you know, it's kind of long, so it'll be fine. I'm just going to show a little bit of leg on the sides. But I just think it's so cute. And I even called my girlfriend. I was like, hey, I like this skirt, but I'm not sure if I should get it. I don't know if I should get it in red or I should get it in black. Because they had it in red, black, and in beige. And I didn't want the beige. And I was like iffy about the red. And then the black one, she's like, you should get the black if you want to, but if you can't get the black, then stick to the red. And when I was about to get the black one, this other girl went ahead and grabbed the 3X in black, and I was like, fuck. She's like, if it doesn't fit me, I'll go ahead and I'll give it to you. And I was like, well, I'm not gonna be waiting for you to, you know, try it on, and if it doesn't fit you, then you can give it to me. You know what I mean? Like, so anyways, I ended up grabbing this one. This one retailed for $24.99. I think that's a decent price for a skirt, actually. That's not too bad. But other items that they have, I just feel like are overpriced for the material. And it's like you don't even have that much material because you're showing your ass, you know what I mean? So anyways, just overall, I'm just so grateful that I went ahead and actually drove out there to Fashion Nova instead of spending hundreds of dollars online. I'll definitely say that you need to know exactly what you want and what you're looking for when you go to Fashion Nova and spend the money, because I don't feel, I mean, if you're like me who's shy and showing skin and things like that, then I wouldn't recommend Fashion Nova. But if you're somebody who is curvy and plus size and you don't care about showing your thighs, you don't care about showing your arms, you have amazing boobs, then I would say, hey, girlfriend, go ahead and go to Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova does have things for like Vegas, you know, for clubs, things like that. I would say definitely go for that if you're not the shy type. Go ahead and shop Fashion Nova. But if you're looking for something a little bit of coverage, then I would say no, don't do Fashion Nova. But overall, that was my experience with Fashion Nova. I hope this video was kind of helpful for some of you. Let me know down below. Have you guys ever shopped Fashion Nova online or in the store? What is your experience? What do you think about Fashion Nova? Comment down below. I love to interact with you guys. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell button to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And yeah, just comment down below because I love to interact with you guys. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you're more than welcome to. Also, you guys, I do have a tutorial on this makeup look that I am wearing on my channel. So I'll go ahead and I'll put it down in the description box or in the iCards, so you can go ahead and check any of those out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.